Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in science class. How are you boys?
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا ريان.
Alaikum salam.
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid. زياد محمد.
Hello Ziyad.
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid.
Hello Hamid.
Hello teacher, Ahmed Abdul Halim.
Hello Ahmed, how are you?
I'm Ahmed.
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
مستر صفحة كم؟
86.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. Hello teacher, I am Ryan.
Hello Ayhan. Open your books, page number 86.
أستاذ أنا منبه أسفلي.
Hello Munabba.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Alaikum salam.
ما قلت شيء.
Sorry. ايش كلام؟
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا سعود.
Hello Saud.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا سند.
أخيرا سعود.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا محمد إمام.
وعليكم السلام. عبد العزيز فهد موجود؟ Okay. Ayham, are you there? Ayham. Fahad Saud Abdullah Al-Bishi موجود؟
يا مستر موجود.
Okay. Fahad Saud Al-Bishi موجود؟
يا
Okay. كريم موجود؟ كريم فيصل حامد
موجود أستاذ.
اوكي
أنا فيصل موجود. أستاذ
اوكي فيصل. اوكي منبه is there, محمد همام is there, معاوية is there, مؤيد موجود؟ مؤيد ياسر، نواف سفياني.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا معاوية.
وعليكم السلام معاوية. اوكي راشد.
متى بنبدأ؟
ساند. يزن. Okay. Now on page 86 we have topic forces can affect speed and direction. Forces yani quwwa. If you put some forces they will affect speed يعني سرعة ممكن روح سرعة ممكن تمهل أو وقف. Right? If you push or pull it will affect on speed and direction. Direction يعني ممكن روح يمين ممكن روح يسار ممكن يجي ورا ممكن روح قدام. That is direction. Right? Directions are yes. Directions means ممكن روح يمين.
المايك
ايوه
الصوت يقطع.
صوت حقي ولا حقك؟ احمد can you hear me?
Yes.
The voice is clear. My voice is clear.
أستاذ بطلع أدخل.
ابشر. Okay fine. بسرعة. Quickly. Okay Munabba, thank you. So if you go right or maybe left, maybe upwards, maybe downwards, it's mean these are directions. Yani simt. Okay. Simt. So force affects on direction also. Like if Okay, Moyed is there now. So it's mean if something.
Hello, teacher. My name is Kareem.
Hello, Kareem. Okay, if something is going towards right side, okay, यानी यमीन, वाहिद नफर हुआ हाथ तो है ना by
Yes.
yes, okay. Like if I say the football is going towards right side, huh? One man is standing here and the man pushes the football towards this, okay, this side, yani to downwards. So the direction of the football will change, right? It will come, it was going on towards right side, but if the man pushes again, it's mean force is there, push, then the direction of the football will change. Understand? يعني هو غير سمت برضو لو انت حطوا شوية
Yes, sir.
قوة. Understand how forces can make objects move faster or slower or change the direction.
السلام عليكم أولاد ويا أستاذ.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله عسيل. Okay. move faster يعني يحرك سرعة. لو واحد شيء مثلا سيارة حقك روح كده يعني يمشي شوية. صح؟ كيف هو روح سرعة؟ Because you change the gear, okay, and the car goes quickly or fast because you are pushing it harder. Okay, next is slower. If something is going very faster, how can you make it slower? By force. Or change the direction, yani go yasar or yameen or fog or tahat. They change the direction by force. خلاص فهمت؟ Why do objects change their direction? When you throw a ball at a wall, what force make it go forward? يعني لو انت اضرب فوتبول او بول وروم على الجدار صح؟ ايش هو فورس؟ بوش ولا بول؟ ولا ايه؟ ها؟ If you throw the ball.
باش أنا حامد.
ايوه يا حامد. Excellent
أنا
يا
حامد.
معاوية. Thank you.
بوش.
ايوه فهد سعود كلام واحد مرة بس.
بوش.
Okay, push. Because the ball is going away from this man. When something goes away, that is push. Okay. Then what do you think will happen to the ball when it will hit the wall? يعني هو روح هنا الجدار بعدين هو روح فين؟ The ball. اسمع the ball يا ولد اسمع سوال. Listen to me carefully. When you throw the ball will hit the wall. يعني هو روح جدار بعدين هو روح فين؟ روح فين؟ The ball will go where?
The wall.
Towards the ball. Hit the wall, then it will come back. The ball will hit the wall and it will come back or roll back, right? يعني هو يجي ورا يعني انت اضرب بالقوة هو حط جدار بعدين يجي ورا صح؟ It will come back again. Right? So it means you will write here
بول.
it will bounce back يعني هو يجي ورا. The ball will bounce back. Yes, Hussein.
Teacher, I thought it would say it will go back, not bounce.
It will roll back, you can say, or bounce back. It will not come back. Okay. Now, next one, which is about experiment and what happened.
Teacher, no finish.
Okay, okay, no problem. Take your time. Okay, the question
Teacher, I
is
am
about
Rami finished.
investigation. Okay.
Teacher, I am
Experiment is ball rolled to a wall. Okay, okay, class. Next. The ball rolled to a wall. Then two balls rolled towards each other. Two toy car pushed towards each other. These are different experiments. And what will happen? We will write.
Sir,
If you, yes, Fahad.
اللي بعد ات هذا في ولا دبليو؟
Fahad ايش؟
ها؟ اللي بعد الاي ات هذا في ولا دبليو؟
It will. W. W-I-double-L.
طيب
Okay, Fahad? Okay. Yalla. Ball rolled towards wall. It rolled
Teacher, I am finished.
back. I am writing. How do you finish, Walid? More slowly. It means ball will come back slowly. It will roll. It rolled back more slowly. Then two balls rolled towards each other. यानी वाहिदेना और rolled towards each other. They hit and went in different directions slowly. That's second. Two toy car pushed towards each other. They hit and went in different slowly. This is for the last one. Okay, write it quickly. So, okay. The number one experiment, first one is ball rolled towards the wall. Yani if you throw the ball, it will hit and come back, but slowly, maybe reach here only. Okay, then
أستاذ اللي تحت طويلة كيف نكتبها؟
you can write here, no problem, down. Okay. Okay. Then there is question which is if there are two balls, okay, 1 and 2. If you throw them, this ball towards this ball and this ball towards this ball, what will happen? They will hit each other here and go back, or maybe this way. They will change the direction basically and move slow, right or wrong? صح ولا خطأ؟
نكتبها كلها.
Yes. The balls will hit each other and go in different. You can write here, no problem. Or second one you can write here. Okay. The third one is, let me finish please. Third one is there are two toy cars like Siyara Hagalela. There are two toy cars, and when you push the same question, the experiment is same. When you push them like towards each other like this, okay, one is coming like this and the other one from here. what will happen? They will hit each other and change their directions. Okay.
ليه حاجة مهمة. Teacher, I am not finished.
Okay, okay, take your time.
Teacher, I am finished. أستاذ أنا خلاص أنا منبه.
Okay, finished Munabba. Okay,
Teacher, no, I'm finished.
okay, okay, take your time. Keep writing.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay.
Finished.
I am.
I am finished, teacher.
Okay, Ziyad. Good.
No, finish, stop, no.
Okay, okay, خلاص اكتب اكتب ما مشكلة. Take your time.
Finish. Stop.
Yes, Badr. عندك سؤال يا بدر؟ Okay, now moving towards next page. Abdulaziz Fahad is Sawal. You have any question?
Teacher, no, finish. No. Teacher, I am don't finish, teacher.
Okay, take your time.
No, finish.
Okay, okay, يلا اكتب بسرعة. If you finish one, it is the same. The third one. If you finish second one, the same third one. سوا سوا. لو انت كتبت اثنين اكتب ثالث ما في مشكلة. You can write the third one. Finished?
No, no.
Mister, not yet.
Okay.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay, Kareem. Okay, quickly, boys. You're wasting. Okay, I will send you video. You can write again. Okay. Yalla, open page 87, please. Page
أستاذ.
87.
عادي سبق في الصفحة بعدها.
أيوة 87. 87.
وفي صفحة بعد 87.
What do you want فهد؟ ايش تبغى يعني؟ خلاص افتح page 87 بعدين نشوف في وقت ما في مشكلة.
أنا بختم الكتاب.
خلي انتظار شوي. Okay,
طيب.
Page 87, what do you think happening when the object hits another object? They push each other and they change their directions. Complete the sentence using the words in the word bank. Word bank, you have direction, friction, down, and each other. Sah? Okay. When two moving objects hit each other. اكتب هنا each other. Number one, each other. Each other. اكتب. Right here, number one, each other. Okay. Then the opposite forces can make the directions change. The opposite forces can make the objects change directions. Directions. Sorry, direction. There is no direction. Direction, the same word here. Okay. When two objects hit each other, friction slows down the object. Friction. Friction is also a kind of force. Friction slows the object down. Down. Okay. Done. Number one is when the
Teacher, I am finished.
okay. Now it will become paragraph, which is when two moving
No,
objects
finish.
hit each other, the opposite forces can
Teacher, I
make
am
the
finished.
objects change
Teacher, I am
direction.
finished.
When two objects hit each
Teacher, I
other,
am finished.
friction shows the object down. Friction slows the object down. Okay, at last we have three.
Teacher, I am
One,
finished.
يا ولد ما في يفتح مايك.
Teacher, I am finished.
لا تفتح مايك يا سند. انتظار.
Teacher, I am not finished.
Name the force that gives us grip on our shoes. That is called friction.
Finished.
كيف انت finish؟ انا اكتب.
لا اللي فوق.
خلاص انتظار يا حبيبي يقول لك. لا تفتح مايك please. Don't open your mics. Name the force that gives us grip on our shoes. يعني جزمة وأرز موجود جوا إيش؟ friction. Next, give an example of a force that changes the direction of an object. أي أحد لا تفتح مايك. خلاص ولا باقي خلاص ما في يفتح مايك. Don't open your mics. Give an example of a force that changes the direction of an object. That is push or friction. Push or friction. You can write anything, no problem. Next one is, when is friction useful? Friction is useful for slowing things down, and down, and giving grip. For slowing things down and giving grip. Okay, this is the last question on this page 87.
Teacher, I'm not finished. Please 1 minute.
خلاص يا رامي اكتب الحين ما في يفتح مايك يعني كيف اسمه انت؟ يا فهد وكلكم لا تفتح مايك بس اكتب خلاص. Don't open your mics. Keep writing.
Finish.
الله أكبر.
أستاذ خلص عاد يطلع.
ليش يطلع يا فهد؟
عشان الشبكة.
اوكي خلاص يطلع.
Teacher finish.
Okay.
مستر الحصة خلصت؟
Yes, if you want to leave, you can leave.
Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, teachers.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Okay, when you finish, if you didn't finish, I will send you a link and you can watch the video again, this same lecture.
أستاذ أنا خلصت.
Okay.
Teacher, I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yes, please.
Mr. Finish. Teacher, I am finished. I am Rami. I am finished.
Okay, Rami, thank you. أيوة يا منبه, thank you.
Teacher,
Yes. Hussein, let them finish, please. Yes, Hussein.
at page 83, we haven't finished the page.
Sorry?
There's still type of surface, distance, travel, centimeter, and
Where?
observations. And which surface made the car travel the fastest? And which surface made the car travel the furthest?
Teacher,
On which page, Hussein? Again, please.
Page 83, we haven't finished type of surface and distance travel, centimeters, and observations. And there's a question called
We
which
did it, man. We
surface
did it. I think
made
you
the
didn't.
car travel?
You didn't watch the video. Yeah, that was for.
Oh,
If you are talking about activity, of course, when you will come in school, we can do activities. Okay.
I don't know if I can come to school. I'm still sick. I'm still sick. Maybe I'll get more sick than Corona.
No, no, no. May Allah give you help.
I'll stay. I don't know. Some questions. I don't know. Maybe when I need it. Maybe when I need help with my homework. Maybe I'll come to school.
Okay.
Thanks for.
You are
letting me
welcome.
know, because I.
Yalla, okay, boys. Thanks for joining. I will send you the link of video, inshallah, after Isha. You have any questions?
Tomorrow and goodbye. Bye.
Okay, boys. Goodbye. Thank you. Just one second.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you for joining.